Let me tell you the story of the dog and his reflection. A dog to whom a butcher had thrown a bone was hurrying home with his prize in his mouth as fast as he could go. As he crossed a narrow footbridge, he happened to look down and saw himself reflected in the quiet water as if in a mirror. But the greedy dog thought he saw a real dog carrying a bone much bigger than his own. If he had stopped to think, he would have known better. But instead of thinking, he dropped his bone and sprang at the dog in the river, only to find himself swimming for his dear life to reach the shore. At last, he managed to scramble out, and as he stood sadly thinking about the bone he had lost, he realized what a stupid dog he had been. The moral lesson of the story: it is very foolish to be greedy. Thank you very much.